Hello everyone, and now we will discuss about how to create SSID and how to connect to the SSID. So after we log into the Ruckus Unleashed IP address, we need to go to Wi-Fi networks, and then we need to create SSID. We can also disable or delete the SSID. And now we will create SSID. And for now, for example, I will create SSID Ruckus employee. The usage type is standard and the authentication method is open. And the encryption method is WPA.2. And the password is, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is for if we're using dynamic PSK and zero IT activation. And then this is for WLAN priority. And this is for access control. And if we want to limit the uplink and downlink, and this is where we will enable WLAN. Is it on 2.4 only or 5 gigahertz only? We will enable on all radio. So we just check OK, and then there is SSID Ruckus employee. And in here we can got this Ruckus employee. This step is simple, and I hope this is informative for you, and thank you for viewing.